Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of trip.com. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app, settings. In this list you will search about the application of trip.com and you will click. Here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage, then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.